Today I'm gonna show you some stuff about the ShockFlo level 2 charger. When you go to the Amazon site, they have different chargers. Some are 32 amps and some are 40 amps. There's different options. So basically the charger comes with the NEMA 1450 plug. And you can plug it in. It has that cool wall holster installed. You just mount it on the wall. It comes with the hardware to mount it. Then you can see on the screen how it's currently set to 32 amp. You can set that to 10 amps, 16 amps, 20 amps, 24 amps or 32 amps. That's beneficial when you have like a circuit which can't handle so much load. So you want to make sure you set it to the circuit what you have. That's also why there's different level 2 chargers available. Then you can also set a different delay time that you say you don't want to charge right now. You can charge after 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12 it goes back to 0 and you can charge right away. Then what you also see is the current draw. So it's about 100 watt right now. It shows it's 15 degrees Celsius. The current voltage is 248 volts. No amps drawing and no kilowatts drawing. So let me show you when I plug it in how it looks like. So before I plug it in, I want to show you this has a real long cord, and the plug which is on it is like a J1772 plug. And if you have like me a Tesla, you will need an adapter. Every Tesla has the adapter delivered to it, so you just plug it in here. Let me see, that goes the other way around. Want to make sure that it locks in. Now it's logged in. And now, as you can see, I parked outside the garage, which means I got plenty of space and a long cable. Now I just tap here the charging port, plug it in, turns blue, which means it's charging. Then I can read on the screen already how it's currently charging. It even shows the amp here on the screen as well, and also the voltage. I can go back to the charger and you see right now it draws 32 amps and it's currently charging with about 8 kilowatts. So it's a really cool charger. If you want to go something alternative to the big brands, I would definitely look into something like that and check also their other options online. So check them out and give them a chance. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.